Hello guys, welcome to another update for the Mightier Than the Sword project, and today is going to be a rather short one. I just wanted to show a little bit of how this is progressing. As you can see, I managed to build the world map level. This is how the game is going to start. Mr. D is just going to go around this place fighting creatures. I don't know if I should make collision with this circle because it has those flames. Could be. I think I'm going to add collision there. But what I wanted to show is just how it moves through the map. I haven't plugged in the animations. I'm rather happy. Maybe I'm going to slow down the movement at some point. It doesn't matter. It's not a super important detail right now. What is important is that we can navigate the world map and we can start building the white box, and how to enter the white box level is going to be purely for testing the combat. And what I wanted to show is that I didn't find any information on how to create a 2D world out of an image, out of a 2D image. So I spent a bunch of time looking for it, and I couldn't really find it. So what I did was a rather simple solution. Maybe it's not that elegant, but I believe it's simple, and sometimes things don't have to be complicated. I just put in invisible walls. I think it's the easiest way to tackle this. You just put all the invisible walls, just simple objects with collision. If you don't know how to make invisible walls, you just add a shape, whichever you want. And if you go to general look collision, you make sure that it's simulation generates heat. This is true, and collision presets invisible wall. And then you go to rendering and make sure that the actor is hidden in game. You can click here in invisible to see that the object disappears. I advise to keep it true so you can see what the invisible walls that you're building. But if you make sure that actor is hidden in game, when you hit play, you will see that it's not there, as opposed to if you don't click it and you hit play, you'll see that it's there. I just wanted to showcase this. I know it's simple, but I'm super happy with the progress so far. It took a lot of time to build this, all these invisible worlds. So if you know a better and cleaner method for this, just let me know. For now, I think it works, and it's enough to for me to fulfill my goals of creating a quick playable demo for this project. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to support the project. On the next video, I will show you the plugged animations for this avatar, and the adjusted movement speed, and the interactable object to shift to another level. Thank you for watching, and I will be seeing you in the next video.